welcome back to Menushin YouTube channel. How are you? I think you are right, fine. Okay, where I'm going now? As in the thumbnail, I'm going to a beautiful little place in Austria called Grundlsee. So you can see here one of beautiful railway station, and yeah, so on the way from Graz to Grundlsee there are actually very nice spots you might be noticed. So I hope you will enjoy the nature of Grundlsee. Okay, then let's go to the video. So honestly, I didn't plan a lot of talking for this video. I just wanted to come here, slow down and really take in the nature. I will tell you how to get to the Grundlsee from Graz by using public transport. So first you have to take the train from Graz Hauptbahnhof to the place called Bad Aussee, and once you are reached to Bad Aussee you can take a local bus. It's line number 956 and that's take you straight to the Grundlsee. It's a short ride, maybe 15 minutes. So in the evening it was starting raining and we thought to leave from the Grundlsee. And this is the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, see you in next video. Until then, bye bye.